Hey, it's Justin with Need Elite Detailing, and today I wanted to bring you a video showing me cleaning this gas cap area on a 2004 runner using Bilt Hamber SURFEX HD in a 50/50 dilution ratio in an IK foamer. First thing we're going to do is rinse off the area. After that, we're going to go ahead and add foam using the foamer. We're going to then agitate the area, and finally we're going to rinse it off. And at that point, this thing hopefully will be crystal clean.